In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and optimize your product images efficiently using the Bulk Image Butler tool in Shopify. First, let's navigate to the Bulk Image Butler app within your Shopify admin panel. This tool is invaluable for keeping your online store images organized and easy to manage. Once you're on the Bulk Image Butler page, look for and click on the Universal Images option. This section allows you to oversee all your images in one place, making bulk management a breeze. Next, let's proceed to create a new setup by clicking on the Create button. This feature is particularly useful when you're looking to implement a new image strategy or update existing ones without having to start from scratch each time. Now that you have initiated the creation process, you'll want to click on Image Setup. This is where you'll begin to define how your images should be organized and displayed across your site. Continuing with this process, let's select Image Position. This is a crucial step as it determines how your images will appear on your product pages. Whether that be aligning them to the center, left, or right, this choice can impact the aesthetics and flow of your page significantly. After you have your images positioned correctly, we're going to move on to Product Targeting. By clicking here, you can designate which products will display the images you have just set up. Be selective and strategic about which items will display which images to enhance the shopping experience for your customers. The next step is to click on Type. This section helps you to organize images by their intended use or category, whether it's thumbnails, banners, or main product photos. Understanding this classification will assist your future endeavors in managing images more effectively. Finally, click on the Task settings. Here you can define specific parameters and rules for how your images should be treated once they are uploaded. This can involve resizing, optimizing for load speed, or applying certain filters automatically. Careful adjustments here will ensure your images are not only visually appealing, but also provide a seamless user experience with quick loading times and optimal display quality across devices. By following these steps, you're setting up an efficient workflow for managing your images, which in turn can greatly enhance the overall look of your Shopify store and improve customer satisfaction. Enjoy the streamlined experience this tool brings and see the transformation in both the back-end management and the front-end presentation of your store. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide. Let's make those images shine on Shopify.